Hello all. Today we will learn what is hypocycloid and how to draw it with precision. So let's get started. Hypocycloid is a curve generated by a point on the circumference of a circle, which rolls without slipping along in another circle and inside it. Let's see practically how the curve will generate. Hope you understand the generation of hypocycloid. To draw the hypocycloid, we need following data. 1. Radius of bigger or directing circle. 2. Radius of smaller or rolling circle, also known as generating circle. 3. Sector angle. To determine the sector angle, following formula is used.